My name is Faizar Abdi Julian as a front office manager.
Hello everyone, my name is Priska Fitri Rahmadani as a front office supervisor.
Hello everyone, my name is Nayla Fauzan Yagdana as receptionist. Hello everyone, my name is Christine Sinaga as the guest relation officer.
Hi everyone, my name is Wahyu Nismawati as the service and luggage coordinator.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, thank you for coming on time. Today's meeting is about guest comments we collected. We need to discuss the problems, their root causes, and agree on solutions. Let's go through them one by one.
Sure, sir. I will start with the first issue, slow check-in process. Many guests mentioned that they had to wait too long at the front office, especially during peak hours. Some of them arrived tired after long flights and still had to stand in line.
Yes, I remember one guest who said the hotel is beautiful, but check-in took almost 13 minutes. It made them uncomfortable and created a bad first impression.
Exactly. So, what do you think is the root cause?
From our observation, the procedures are still quite inefficient. We ask guests to fill in too many forms manually, and we often start checking documents only when they arrive. Also, during busy times, we don't have enough staff at the front desk.
I agree. Sometimes only two people handle a long queue of arrivals, while one receptionist is busy with a complicated case. The queue gets even longer.
Good. So, the root causes are inefficient procedures and lack of staff during peak hours. Now, what do we propose as solutions?
First, we can implement pre-arrival checks. Before the guest arrives, we can verify their booking, prepare the registration card, and also assign the room in the system.
We can also use pre-filled registration forms, so guests only need to sign instead of writing everything for the beginning.
And maybe we can introduce an express checkout system for guests who have already paid or who agree to be charged to their credit card. That will reduce the line at the checkout line.
Good suggestions. We will also adjust dynamic shift scheduling so that we increase the front office staff during arrivals and departures time. Okay, so let's move on to the second issue, slow checkout and luggage handling delays.
This one is directly related to my area. Some guests said they had to wait too long for the luggage when checking out. In a few cases, the suitcase arrived at the lobby just a few minutes before their airport pickup.
One guest commented that the slow luggage delivery almost made them late for their flight. That created a very negative final impressions.
So, what are the root causes here?
Honestly, our coordination between front office and bellboy is not consistent. Sometimes the front office informs us late, or the message doesn't reach the right person. We also don't have a clear standard operation procedure for maximum luggage handling time.
Yes, sometimes we just write pick up language at 11:30 in the logbook, but no one double check if it is done on time.
Okay, so the root causes are poor coordination and no specific SOP or luggage timing. Now, what do we recommend?
We should create a clear SOP for luggage handling time. For example, maximum 10 minutes from request to pickup. And we must have a clear status, request, in process, complete.
To support that, we can improve internal communication tools.
Maybe we can use radios or a dedicated FO bellboy communication channel so that requests are not lost in the logbook.
Okay, good. I will help set up the SOP and communication tools. Let's move to the third issue, mismatch between reservation and room provided.
Several guests complained that the room they received did not match their booking. For example, they booked a king bed with ocean view, but they got a twin bed with garden view instead.
Sometimes the problem happens when reservations made through OTA are not updated correctly in our system. We only see a standard room without the special request that the guests want.
So, what do you identify as the root causes?
The main issues are inaccurate data handling and weak communication between departments. Reservation data from OTA are not always synchronized with our PMS, and during shift changes we don't always review special requests or changes.
Exactly. Some important notes like honeymoon setup or high floor requested are missed because we don't highlight them in the briefing.
So, what is our recommendation?
We should integrate the booking hotel system with OTA platform so that all reservation data is synchronized automatically and accurately.
Yes, and we need a shift-to-shift reviewing session that specifically verify bookings and special requests. During briefing, the supervisor should go through the arrival list and highlight any special cases.
Correct. Integrated systems and consistent briefings will lower the chance of mismatched rooms. Next problem, insufficient information about our hotel facilities.
Yes, some guests said the front office didn't clearly explain the hotel facilities. They didn't know about the spa, the kids area, or the restaurant promotions, so they couldn't fully enjoy the hotel.
I remember a guest who was surprised on the last day because they just found out that there was a free yoga class in the morning. They said if we knew earlier, we would have joined from day one.
Okay, what do you think is the root cause?
I think some of us don't have sufficient product knowledge. We know the basic facilities, but we are not always updated about operating hours, special promotions, or temporary closures.
Sometimes we also assume that guests will read the information in the room or on the website, so we don't explain it exactly at checking.
So, lack of staff knowledge and insufficient proactive explanation. How do we fix it?
We should have regular product knowledge training for front office staff. The training can cover all hotel facilities, operating hours, dress code, promotions, and unique experiences.
We can also create a simple facility information sheet at the front desk. When we check in guests, we can highlight the main facilities like a breakfast time and place, pool hours, and spa, kids club, and activities.
Good. That will help us provide more complete information. Finally, let's discuss the final issue. Additional charges for off-site spa reservation.
A few guests complained about unexpected additional fees when our front office helped them book spa service outside the hotel. They felt the explanation was not clear.
Yes, one guest said they only found out about the extra charge at checkout. This made them feel the hotel was not transparent.
Okay, so what is the root cause?
We don't have a clear SOP about how to explain this extra charge. Each staff member explained it differently, and sometimes we forgot to mention the fee at all.
And the information is not written clearly on the confirmation letter or invoice. So guests think the price they see is the final price without our service charge for making the book.
Exactly. There is poor transparency and no standard explanation. What is our recommendation action?
Yes, we should develop a clear SOP for explaining all additional charges before processing any off-site bookings. The receptionist must inform the guest verbally and also not in writing.
You can also add a line on the confirmation slip, like an additional service fee of will be charged by the hotel, then the guest sign to confirm.
Okay, that is a good idea. Transparency will help build trust and avoid negative reviews. Okay, so to summarize our meeting, first, slow check-in and check-out. We will increase staff during peak hours and simplify our procedures. Next, luggage delays. We will create a clear luggage handling SOP and improve staff communication with real-time tools. Okay, the third is reservation mismatches. We will integrate our system with OTA platforms and strengthen shift briefings. Next issue is lack of facility information. We will run regular product knowledge training and provide clear information to the guests. And the last one is extra spa charges. We will develop a transparent SOP and always explain additional fees before confirming off-site bookings. Is everyone clear with their responsibilities?
Yes, sir. I will prepare the draft SOP for check-in, check-out, and spa bookings.
I work on the luggage handling SOP and coordinate with the development.
I'll help with product knowledge materials and the facility information sheet.
And lastly, I will support the information at the front desk and give feedback from daily operations.
Okay, thank you, team. We follow these action plans, we can improve our quality service and turn those negative comments into positive reviews.